Hi guys, this is your boy Martin from MartinTheVlogger.com and welcome to our Tuesday short videos. Today topic, we will throw in windshield on Mrs. Beats, one of our bikes from toursont3.com. And this is actually on Dakar. We have adjustable sport windshield. And what you will see today, installation, unboxing and installation, why we are doing it, and a little bit of comparison between sport and adventure adjustable windshield. So guys, first 500 views, no video ads and no bullshit around. This is no rocket science video. Let's get started. So unboxing and why we are doing it. I'm not really a windshield dude, but we noticed that a lot of guests in our tour and rental agency would like to be protected by the wind, and especially Mrs. Beats. It's really about joy and ride because it has speakers. So we're gonna have two bikes now that will have windshields, and this is already enough. As I said, I'm not a windshield dude, and the sport one, the look, it's still there and it's very good quality, doesn't shake, doesn't vibrate, and it covers you very nicely in the rain, also against the wind, so it's beautiful. But this one is even bigger. Like, have a look. Okay, have I said that you can get these windshields on MartinTheVlogger.com/shop? I don't know, but tiny bit of promo. Now let me show you the difference so you can directly compare which one you like more. So the stock one compared to adventure, it's, I don't know how much is this, like 4 or 5 centimeters. It's massive improvement. It's really massive. In terms of size, of course it's bigger. It has a hole, so there is more air coming in, and also you have the secondary windshield behind it, so you are not hit by the air that it's going through here. It's a little bit wider, but not super large, but you have this area that will, like this windshield doesn't have it that obvious, but this one will significantly move the air a little bit further. And because it's higher, it doesn't have that, what we have on F3s, that it doesn't have that kind of hook or loop that will shoot the air on top. It will just simply flow. But also have a look. I mean, these windshields are not cheap, but have a look how thick they are. It's a very good quality. It's a very, very good quality. But I will finish first the unboxing. So obviously you got a windshield, okay. Then you got the, how are we gonna call it? Like what? Like cover, okay. And bolts. As easy the unboxing is, that's also the same way how easy it is to install it. Installation is super easy. You have 2 parts, 4 bolts, 4 holes. What I recommend is to have extender like this on your screwdriver. You need T30. Put the plastic cover, I like to call these things ding-dongs, whatever it is, inside. Maybe sometimes it's good to have second pair of hands just to place it or hold it in place, but it's all fine. I don't know if I can have any tips here, but doing the lower bolt, it's okay to do it under this plastic. Doing the top bolt, it's actually fruitful or good to do it from via this hole in here, because otherwise you will suffer. So again, extender and you're good to go. So guys, this is pretty much it. I think the difference is pretty obvious. It's full, I would say, but it fits to the bike very, very well. Again, same thing as before. It's a little bit, like, I would say, hard, especially with one hand. Work with me. There you go. So a little bit harder to adjust, but you know, you will adjust it just once and then lock it completely and you will fine. Same goes with the sport version. It's funny how small it is now. Guys, thank you very much for watching. In case you want one, MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. And in case you would like to see more Tuesday show videos, MartinTheVlogger.com. In case you would like to ride one of these, it's Slovak website, but we have also toursont3.com. Guys, thank you, and remember, buy yourself windshield or not, it's your call, but always have fun.